and girls. Today we're going to have a fun science project that you're going to be able to do at your home as well as watching me here and now. Today we're going to talk about the difference between float and sink. Do you know the difference? Something that floats means that it sits on top of the water. It lays on top of the water like a boat or a ship, sailboat. Your rubber duck in your bathtub, they all float. And something that sinks means it goes down to the bottom of the water, like this rock. So the difference between float and sink. Now, this is what you need. You're going to get a bowl of water, and you're going to get different objects that you can experiment with. Just find out if they float or sink. Okay, and we're going to do a few with me now. I'm going to have you make a prediction, and you're going to guess if you think my objects will float or sink. So I'm going to set everything up. Just a minute. Put a basket right here so you can see my water. Now I'm going to go get my water and a bowl. Hopefully you can see. Now, if you don't have a bowl like this, you can always do this in your bathtub, or you can have your mom fill up this sink of water in your kitchen. Okay? If you have a swimming pool, that would be perfect. So you're going to go around your house and you're going to experiment and find out which objects float to the top of the water and which objects sink. So let's do a few of Mrs. Davis's objects. All right. So I have a color crayon. I want you to predict. Do you think it's going to float or sink? All right. Let's see. What did it do? Float. It floats. So a crayon floats. Let's try something else. You know what that is? A rock. Can you predict what will happen when I put the rock in the water? Will it float or sink? All right, you ready? Let's find out. What did it do? It sunk. Okay, so a crayon floats, a rock sinks. Let's try something else. How about a pencil? Can you predict what the pencil will do? You think it's going to float or sink? Let's see. Watch. What is it doing? It's floating. It's floating at the top of the water. Right. Did you guess that? That's kind of a tricky one. How about a pair of scissors? Predict what you think will happen. All right, here we go. Let's see if they float or sink. What did they do? They sunk. Yep. Scissors sinks. All right. How about a toy? This is a toy from Star Wars. You think it's going to float or sink? Make a prediction. All right. Let's see. What did it do? He sunk. He went down to the bottom like the rock. Okay. Couple more objects. How about, what's that? Penny. Make a prediction. Do you think it's going to float or sink? All right, here we go. Plunk. It sunk down to the bottom. Yep, coins sink. Did you get that one right? All right. Drip, drip, drip. One last object. An apple. All right. You predict. Do you think the apple's going to float or sink? Should we find out? What is it doing? It's floating. Yeah, the object or the apple is floating. So let me remove this and we'll talk about what you have to do. Okay, so this is your job. You're going to do the same thing that I just did. You're going to walk around your room, walk around your house, and you're going to look for objects that you can put in the water. Make sure you ask Mom first if it's okay. And you're going to predict. You're going to make a good guess. Will this float or will this object sink? And then drop it in and see what happens. Yeah, you might be surprised. You can use an eraser. You can use a Lego. Experiment with a toy, car toy, a marble, anything you want. Okay? Have fun. All right. See you later. Bye.